So this is one way that people find the most typical value, is that they just find the mean or the average. What's another way you think people might go about finding the most typical value?
The median?
Yeah, the median, good. So if you guys remember, even in second grade, you guys learned mean, median, and mode without maybe understanding why you were learning them together. Well, the reason is that these are designed to measure the same thing, which is the center, which is the most typical value. So the median here, let's review how we calculate the median. So for example, if you had these three values, to find the median value, what you would do is you would sort these in order first, from lowest to highest, or highest to lowest, it actually doesn't matter. And then you would take the number that is in the middle position. So let's say that we order these. Let's say in this case from lowest to highest. And then we pick the number in the middle position. So that would actually do this number, 82. So the median in this case is 82. And this is another way of measuring the center or finding the most typical grade. So in this case, conveniently, we had a number that was actually in the center because we had an odd number of numbers. But let's say that we had an even number of numbers. Let's say we had this case. Any suggestions on how we could find the median or the number that's in the center position?
Add 86 and 82 and divide by 2.
Yeah, good. So what we do is start with the same method as we did before, which is to order the numbers in ascending or descending order. So let's say that we order the numbers. But if you do that, you see that because this is an even number of numbers, there's no one number that's in the middle position. Because the middle position is actually here, and it's between two numbers. So if the middle position is between two values, we're going to take the average of those two values. So in this case, the middle position is between the numbers 82 and 86, so we'll take the average of those by adding those two numbers up and dividing by 2. So if you do that, that's essentially finding the midpoint of the two numbers. So the midpoint of these two numbers, the number that is the same distance away from 82 as it is from 86, ends up being 84. So if you take the average of these two, add them up, divide by 2, you'll see it's 84. So that ends up being the median. Any questions? Okay. So that's if you have an even number of numbers, you're going to end up having to take an average between the two numbers on each side of the middle position.